Namaste students. Today we are going to learn a basic grammar topic of Sanskrit, that is Sandhi. Children, already we have discussed this Sandhi topic in the previous video. Then also to refresh your knowledge, again I'll give the definition of Sandhi. When any syllable is followed by other syllable and if there is any change occurs, then Sandhi takes place. In Sanskrit, the definition can be Swara Vyanjana Melanayoho Madhye Yada Vikaraha Bhavati Tatra Sandhihi Bhavati. When the vowels and consonant come together and if any change takes place, then that change is only called as Sandhi. Basically, Sandhi is classified into three types: Swara Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi and Vyanjan Sandhi. Today, we are going to discuss Vyanjan Sandhi and its rules and its examples. First of all, we'll see how we can define or how we can make the examples by using the rules of Sandhi. For example, we have Jagata plus Isha. Now here, if we do the Varna Vichhed of Jagata, it will be J plus A plus G plus A plus Ta. Similarly, if we do the Varna Vichhed of the word Isha, it will be Dirgha E plus Sh plus A. So, the last syllable of the first word is Ta and the first syllable of the last word is Dirgha E. So, by the rule of Vyanjan Sandhi, the result will be Halantata and the new word will be Jagadishah. I hope you understood this. Now, Vyanjan Sandhi, there are various types, but in your syllabus, these are the 6 types which I am reading now. Para Savarna Sandhihi, Chatva Sandhihi, Tukagam Sandhihi, Monuswara Sandhihi, Vargiya Prathamaksharanam Tritiyakshare Parivartanam, and the 6th one is Prathama Varnasya Panchama Varne Parivartanam. Okay, so now let us start with the first rule, Para Savarna Sandhi Niyama, that is the rule of Para Savarna Sandhi. The definition in Sanskrit, it can be like this: Anuswarat paratah yaha api vargiya varnah bhavati anuswarasya sthane tasya vargasya pancham varnah bhavati athava anuswara eva tishtati. Now here vargiya varna, vargiya vyanjan. I hope or I think that you might have heard this before also. Vargiya Vyanjan. See, Sanskrit syllables are classified into various categories like Vargiya Vyanjan, Ushma Varna. Okay, so what is Vargiya Vyanjan? See, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Ga, these 5 Varna, these 5 syllables, they come under Ka Varga, Ka class. Then cha, cha, ja, jhanya, they come under cha class, cha varga. So there are total 5 classes, 5 vargas. Which are they? Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. So these are 25 syllables. They are called as Vargiya Vyanjan. Okay. So the rule says that if Anuswar is followed by any Vargiya Vyanjan, then that Anuswar is replaced by the 5th consonant of that particular Vargiya Vyanjan. Or if you don't want to do this, then the Anuswar remain as it is. So this can be an optional form. So first of all, we will see the rule. First of all, we will see the use of it or examples. Vidyalayam gachati. See here, Vidyalayam. Anuswar is followed by Ga, and Ga belongs to Ka Varga, Ka class. So, what is the 5th consonant of Ka class? That is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Ga. So, you can see the this solution of it, that is Vidyalayam gachati. That Anuswar is replaced by Ga, that is the 5th consonant of K class. Now we will see the second example. Ripum Jayati. Now here, see here, Anuswar is followed by J. J belongs to Ch class. So what is the fifth consonant of Ch class? Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. And that's why here you will see Ripun Jayati. Similarly, we will see other examples also. Dhanam Dadati. So ta, tha, da, dha, na. And that's why Anuswar is replaced by na. Dhanan Dadati. Alam Karoti. Alang Karoti. Pramanam Tikate. Pramanan Tikate. Tranam Charati. Tranan Charati. Okay. Now if you don't want to do this, then Anuswar remain as it is. That is also there. See here, Vaikalpik Sandhya. These are the optional form. Okay. So here, what we have done? We have kept the example as it is. Okay. Vidyalayam Gachati, Vidyalayam Gachati. Anuswar is same and the next word is also same. So these are called as optional forms. Okay. Now next, Para Savarna Sandhi, the second rule of it. If Apadanta Anuswar is followed by any consonant of any class, then it changes into fifth consonant of the same class. Now I'll explain this also. First of all, Apadanta Anuswar. What is this Apadanta Anuswar? Apadanta Anuswar means that Anuswar which comes in between the word itself. If you see the example, you will understand. Plus Gah. Actually, this Anuswar is in the word. These are not separate word. This is one word only. So that Anuswar is part of that word only. So that's what Apadanta means. Pada means word. But here it says that Apadanta. So that Anuswar comes in between the word. So if such is the condition, if this is the condition, then what will happen? That Anuswar will be replaced by the fifth consonant of the same class. So you see here, is there and it is followed by G. So G belongs to K class. So K, K, G, G, G. And that's why the solution is Angah. Kam plus Takah, Kantakah. Cham plus Chalaha, Chanchalaha. Cham plus Pakah, Champakah. Plus Kitah, Ankitah. Sham plus Karaha, Shankaraha. Okay. Now we will see the next Sandhi, that is Chatva Sandhi. Now see the rule. Vargasya Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturtha, Varnaha. Means the first four consonant of any Vargiya Vyanjan. Okay. Is followed by Sh, Halanta Sh. And if that Halanta Sh is followed by any vowel, or if it is followed by Y or R or L or V or H, or the fifth consonant of any Vargiya Vyanjan, then Sh is replaced by Ch. Okay, we will see the example, you will understand. Tat plus Shivaha. Tat plus Shivaha. See here, Ta belongs to Ta Varga, the first consonant. And then next is Sh. So condition fulfills. And that's why Sh is replaced by Ch. So it has become Tachivaha. Tachivaha. Then Vak plus Sharaha. See here, Ka Varga, first letter of Ka Varga, Ka, and it is followed by Sh. So Ka is replaced by again, Sh is replaced by again Ch. So it has become Vakcharaha. Jagat plus Chatru, Jagat Chatruhu. Ut plus Shvasaha, Uchvasaha. Sat plus Shilaha, Satchilaha. Tat plus Shrutva, Tachrutva. Tyagat Shantihi, Tyagat Shantihi. Children, you might have observed that whenever there is a ta, cha agam is also there. So what it tells ki if ta is there before sha, if ta is there, then cha also comes here. You can see first example, tat plus shivaha. See, as per rule, sh is replaced by ch, but ta is also replaced by ch. So this particular agam, that ch varna se agam, is only for ta and not for other letters. Okay, now we'll move towards next. Ch varna se agam, tukagamah. Now this is different type. Now what the rule says, rasva svar plus ch, rasva svar plus ch is equals to rasva svar plus ch plus ch, which means that if rasva svar is there and if it is followed by ch, then in between that rasva svar and ch varnasya agam, ch varna optionally comes. Okay, so vruksha plus chaya, vruksha ends in a, it is rasva svar, chaya starts with ch. Okay, so by the rule tukagama ch varnasya agam, वृक्ष छाया, वि प्लस छेदः विच्छेदः, एक प्लस छत्रम एक छत्रम, अनु प्लस छेदः अनुच्छेदः, स्व प्लस छः स्वच्छः, परि प्लस छेदः परिच्छेदः, एक प्लस छत्रम एक छत्रम, कुशल प्लस छात्रम कुशल छात्रम. So everywhere you can see the rasva svar and after that ch. Okay. Next sandhi is monuswar sandhi. The definition is यदा पदांत मकारांत परे व्यंजनानि भवन्ति तदा मकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारः भवति. What it means? When halantama is followed by any vyanjan, any other vyanjan, then that halantama is replaced by anuswar. This is a very common sandhi and you might have seen in the various lessons in the textbook. So now we'll see the example. Gruham plus pashyati, gruham pashyati. Ramam plus vande, ramam vande. You can see here halantama, everywhere halantama is replaced by anuswar. Patham plus patati, patham patati. Vatikam plus prati, vatikam prati. Vanam plus pashyati, vanam pashyati. Chitram plus rachayati, chitram rachayati. Shikshakam prachati, shikshakam prachati. Okay, now next sandhi. Vargiya prathamaksharaणाम तृतीयाक्षरे परिवर्तनम. Change of first consonant into third consonant of the same class. This is also a very easy sandhi. You can see this chart. K is replaced by G, Ch is replaced by J, T is replaced by D, T is replaced by D, and P is replaced by B. We'll see the examples, then you will understand it. See here, I have made a table here. Purva Varna, the first consonant. Paravarna, the second consonant. Vikara, that is change, and Udaharanam, that is an example. Now, if we see Purva Varna Ka, if it is followed by any vowel, it can be A, A, E, then that Ka will be replaced by Tritiya Varna of the same class, that will be Ga. So the example is Vak plus Ishah, Vagishah. Prathama Varnasya Tritiya Varne Parivartanam. Now next, see for to simplify this, I have prepared this chart. So Ka Halanta is followed by Varganam Tritiya or Chaturtha Vyanjan, or Ya or R or L or V or H. We want any one syllable in the Paravarna. Then also Ka will be replaced by G, Tritiya Varna. So Vak plus Danam, Vagdanam. Now Ka, Cha, so now Cha, because Prathama Varna to Tritiya Varna. Now Cha is followed by any svar, it can be A, E. Then if it is the condition, then Cha will be replaced by Tritiya Varna J. So Ach plus Antaha, Ajantaha. Now Cha is followed by Varganam Tritiya or Chaturtha Varna, or Ya or R or L or V or H. Then Cha will be replaced by Tritiya Varna J. So Ach plus Varnaha, Aj Varnaha. Now for Ka and Cha class the condition is same, but now for the next, like Ta class, it will change. Varganam Tritiya Chaturtha Varna or y, r, l, v. Mind you, h is not present here. Okay, so for t the condition is little change, so t will be replaced by d. Samrat agatah, samrad agatah. Okay, now next, now t, k, ch, t, t. Now this is the fourth class. T, t is followed by any vowel, then t will be replaced by the. Pratham varna se tritiya varna, sat plus acharah sadacharah. Now here I told you the condition changed. Okay, now t is followed by g, gh, d, th, b, bh, y, r. Now l is also not there and h is also not there. Y, r, v. So t will be replaced by the third consonant d. So sat plus gunaha, sad gunaha. Now where these letters have gone, then we'll see that also. If t is followed by ch, then ta sthane cha. Now these are special rule, so that also I have they also I have covered here in this presentation. If ta is followed by cha, this is exclusive rule only for ta and cha, then ta sthane cha. So tat plus cha, tat cha. Similarly, l was missing, now l. For l rule is like this. If ta is followed by l, then ta sthane l. This is also exclusive rule only for ta and l. So tat plus linam, tallinam. Now the fifth, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. If pa is followed by any vowel or varganam tritiya or chaturtha varna, here y, r, l, v, h is not present. So pa sthane b. प्रथम वर्ण से तृतीय वर्ण. Up plus jam, abjam. Now the last rule, prathama varnasya panchama varne parivartanam. The first consonant will be replaced by the fifth consonant of the same class. Now the rule says padanta vyanjanebhyah anunasika varneshu pareshu tasya vyanjanasya sthane swavargasya panchamaksharam bhavati. You can see the table here. Ka, ch, see the left side, ka, ch, ta, ta, pa. If it is followed by g, nya, na, na, ma, these are the fifth consonant of those particular classes. So it can be ascending order, it can be descending order, or any order. If they follow, then ka will be replaced by g, cha will be replaced by nya, ta will be replaced by ana, ta will be replaced by na, and pa will be replaced by ma. Prathama varnasya panchama varne parivartanam. Now we will see the examples. Vak plus mayam. See, vak is the first consonant of the class and it is followed by fifth consonant. Okay, that is ma. But when we will change, we will not change according to ma, we will change according to ka. So what is the fifth consonant of ka class? Ka, kha, ga, gha, ga. So it will become vang and mayam will be as it is. So vang plus mayam, vang mayam. Similarly, sat plus nama. See here, ta is followed by pancham varna na. So what is the pancham varna of ta? Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Sannama. Similarly, shat plus navati will become shannavati. Sat plus mati, sanmatihi. Up plus mayam, ammayam. पंचम वर्ण परिवर्तनम. एतत् प्लस न, एतन्न. जगत प्लस नाथ, जगन्नाथः. षट प्लस नाम, षण्णाम. So this was the rule, pratham varna to panchama varna. Okay, so children, I hope you understood this Vyanjan Sandhi. In the next video I will explain Visarga Sandhi also. Till then, Shubha Dinam.